Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to make your Shopify store stand out with a custom look? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change the font size, style, and color in Shopify so your shop truly reflects your brand and feels inviting to your customers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to personalize your site's typography and colors, giving your storefront a professional edge. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Shopify's admin panel. On the left, you'll spot the online store section, click that, and then find the Customize button next to your current theme. This is the gateway to all things design in Shopify. It might feel like a lot at first, but don't worry, I'll make it simple. Once the Customize window opens, look for Theme Settings. This is usually at the bottom or off to one side. Click it, and you'll see the Typography tab. This is where the magic happens. Inside Typography, you'll find separate sections for different text types: body, subheading, heading, and accent fonts. Think of these as roles in a play. Each one controls the style of a different part of your store, like the main product descriptions, headlines, captions, or even buttons. Right next to each font option, there will be a drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see a list of all the fonts available in your current theme. Take a moment to scroll through. You'll notice both familiar fonts like Arial and Times New Roman, as well as designer options unique to Shopify. It's a bit like picking outfits for different parts of your site, so choose ones that match the vibe you want to create for your customers. At the bottom of these drop-down menus, you'll spot additional options like bold, light, or regular. These control font weight, in other words, how thick or thin the letters appear. For example, bold fonts work well for headlines you want to emphasize, while lighter fonts are perfect for subtle details. Don't be afraid to mix and match, just make sure every choice is easy to read. Moving on, you'll see specific controls for paragraphs here, where you can adjust the size and line height. Size makes the text bigger or smaller, which affects readability. Line height controls how much space sits between each line of text. If your paragraphs look cramped or too spread out, tweak these sliders until everything looks comfortable. Try imagining how you'd want to read product details on a laptop or smartphone. That's the experience you're crafting for your visitors. When it comes to headings, like Heading 1, you'll have even more control. You can assign a font, either your main heading or accent font, depending on what you chose above. There are also options for size, line height, and even text case, meaning you can make the text all uppercase or keep it as normal capitalization. These settings apply for all your headings, from H1, usually your main page titles, down to H6, smaller subheadings. Adjust each as needed. For example, maybe your main headline should be big and bold, but your subheadings are softer and smaller. Once you've finished customizing your fonts, let's move over to the Colors section, right there inside Theme Settings. This is where you switch up your site's color palette, either by picking a new scheme or fine-tuning individual colors to match your brand. You'll be able to change background colors, button colors, and text colors. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes a fresh splash of color can make your entire shop feel more inviting. Before you finish, remember to click Save. It's easy to get caught up in the creative process and forget, so make sure all your changes stick. And that's it, you've just transformed your Shopify store's look and feel. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Shopify topic you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical store building tips. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.